Hello and welcome to Epping, Victoria, here at Great Alpine Rio Caravans. We're about to show you this exciting van before it goes out to our New Zealand customer. What I want to share with you today about this van is some of the components that are used. So you can see this is an Australian-built G&S Super Gal chassis. This is not an import, it's not a cheap product. This is designed to last a lifetime. You've got your gas bottles, you've got a huge toolbox. And as you can see, the toolbox has a slide here for your Weber. It has another slide on the other side for a generator should you want to be self-sufficient. And you can see this striking red on the front, looks very stylish. Then you've got a through boot that goes all the way through for your storage. You've got brake cladding. You've got an Aussie Traveller awning. Very important that you don't get some imported, cheap, nasty product. This is an Aussie Traveller. You can buy spare parts for it. It just works. It is the best awning. You can see the huge windows here, NCE, entertainment. You've got a drop-down table here. I like this table because it doesn't have a lock on it, so you can just easily open and close it, and it's very secure. You can see the entertainment hatch here, so you've got all the outlets here for power and TV. Aussie Traveller door, as you can see, it has a trim safe screen built in. We've all seen that before, but this again, a quality product, very secure. You want to be secure. Grab handle. And you can see when I show you inside, this is a rear lounge. And because of that, you get another through boot here, all the way through the other side. A huge rear view you can have if you're parked up, reversed up to the beach, you've got the lounge there, spare wheel, you've got your work light. As a matter of fact, you've got work lights right around the van. You've got a reversing camera. Now you may choose to have just a reversing camera. You might also have a rear view camera for when you're driving, so you have a good view of what's behind you. Checker plate right way around to protect your investment. Another huge window you can see here. Again, that same through boot we showed you on the other side, right here. So that goes all the way through. So think of all the things you could take with you. Your surfing gear, you'll probably get a surfboard in there, I'd say. Hot water system, your filling points. This Caravan has 2 water tanks, has a grey water tank, has a diverter there. This is your filling point, filling caps for your tanks. This is your connection for fresh water here in the Caravan Park. And this is the toilet cassette. We'll have a look at inside again. Another huge window, which is the front bedroom, and we'll show you that when we get inside. So as I come in, wow, this is huge. It's like a townhouse on wheels. Amazing. You can see the rear lounge. Look at those windows. Look at the panoramic view. As I come in here, to my left is also the radio, CD player, USB player, and the control panel here for your water and your battery status and most other things. Above the lounge here you can see an enormous amount of storage. This Caravan truly is about storage. Look at all those overhead cupboards. So again, you can probably fit 6-8 people here. It's amazing. To the right you've got this lovely work area. You've got lots of drawers, and if you look at the runners on these drawers, it's not those cheap, nasty things. They're quality products. They're designed to last the life of your Caravan. One of these cupboards has the brains, which is the projector system, your fuses, and really this is the electronics for your van, your whole water switch, your water pump switch, etc. Your TV mount, and you can see here that you have a huge pull-out pantry. Snaps back into place. Take a lot of food with you. And it's not just the pantry. You've got all these drawers here. You've got another pull-out pantry right here. This is ideal for things like oils, spices, etc. You've got your oven, your griller, your stove. Okay, we all know what that looks like. A striking black sink with matching tapware, a cupboard for your bin and detergents and washing. Again, more drawers. To me, this looks like a cutlery drawer here, utensils. Again, more awesome storage up the top. You've got hatches, you've got speakers, you've got LED lights. So as you can see, this van sort of has two quarters. You have the living quarters here and the cooking and the entertainment area here, which is just awesome. And then over here, you've got the privacy of a bedroom, a bathroom, and you can close that off. So many people, you know, you'll have a couple, one is a night owl, one is it goes to bed early. This sort of caravan is set up is ideal. You know, you can stay here and watch TV while your partner goes to bed, or your partner may choose to sleep in the morning and you're an early bird, you want to go fishing. Well, there you go. You can just close the door and off you go. Prepare breakfast without disturbing the people that are still asleep. So this is the Rio 23-foot on-road caravan about to leave for New Zealand. I'm sure the customer will be very pleased with this quality product. Alright, so this caravan being a 23-footer, you can almost get two living areas, a bedroom area, sleeping area, and a living area back here. As I walk in, you've got this striking shower. Look at the size of that shower. And I love the way the screen wraps right around and blends into the furniture. You've got that huge window, you've got a queen size bed, you've got underbed storage, again more storage. Look at that, look at this overhead storage here. All on struts and piano hinges. You've got hanging space here or shelves, fan on either side. You've got a wall here that can be used to mount a TV should you want to option this van with a TV. And then on this side of the sleeping area, sleeping quarters, you've got your bathroom. Again, storage, toilet, overhead cupboard, little window, very practical. So if you're like me, who loves getting up early in the morning, come out here, your partner's still asleep, and you kind of crash out, watch the waves, have a coffee, have a drink. So this is the beauty of a 23-foot caravan, is you can have a living quarter here, and then the bedroom and bathrooms are very separate and can be isolated and kind of provide a separate living and sleeping zone, which is really good. But this is one comfortable van.